As a Spexi pilot, your flights don't just earn rewards, they help real teams make smarter decisions on the ground. In the architecture, engineering, and construction industry, or AEC, teams rely on your imagery to track assets, monitor progress, and respond faster to what's happening in the field. That includes verifying critical site changes, like spotting a sinkhole and monitoring repairs remotely to improve resource allocation. They also use your imagery to monitor safety zones, track compliance, and make sure equipment is where it needs to be. With Spexi's time series tools, engineers and architects track how a site changes, from the first foundation pour to the final roof install. And with Spexi's 3D render capabilities, your imagery helps build digital twins, giving teams immersive, spatially accurate environments to explore. Many even stream your imagery straight into GIS platforms using Spexi's API, overlaying it with infrastructure like substations or data layers like zoning maps and permit requests. If you know someone in construction, a director of operations, innovation lead, or anyone managing field data, refer them today. You'll earn $200 when our team books a meeting. Refer, fly, earn.